SPARTA system utilizes the body's innate ability to relearn movement along all anatomical planes. And basically, movement efficiently is relative to the individual and includes being able to control center of mass, maintain a relaxed state of mind, and experience no discomfort or pain throughout the movement, which should be done pretty much with any activity or that should be expected with any activity or exercises. And let me give you a perfect example of a dynamic balance exercise, which I call fake jumps. And here we focus on deceleration, and the class is learning the tempo for decelerating, which is 3, 2, 1, and of course practicing the best form possible and having fun.
Oh. Nice catch, no ring. That's the whole point.
Different age, different backgrounds, and everyone's working towards movement efficiency. So that's just one example of many. As you can see, everyone was moving according to their capability. It was all safe, and over a period of time, practice exists. They build more confidence, become more steady on their feet, and next thing you know, they'd be dunking basketballs. Probably not, but that's okay. We can work towards that.